Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can save and export your design on Figma in JPG format or specific elements of your design in JPG format. So let us get started. Head over to design on Figma. Let me go with this one here. And let's assume, for example, you would like to export and save that image here in JPG format on your device. To do that, select it with your left mouse or select it as a masked group, for example, here in your list of layers to the left. And what you want to do after that is click into export here at the bottom of that panel to the right. Click into export, and after that select your export output file format. Usually it should be an default PNG, but you may switch to JPEG or SVG or PDF. So let me go with JPEG, just like that. And after that, select the masked group to export below by clicking to that button, and that is going to save the given masked group, in this case here this image, in JPEG format, and that's it. Let me do the same, for example, with that element here, with that rectangle. Left click into it to select it, or select it in your list of layers, click into export here, and after that switch to JPEG as your output file format, click into export rectangle tool, and that's it. As you can see, it has been exported in JPEG, and that's how it works. Third example, guys, let us go with this text box here. Select it. After that, click into export. And again, switch to JPEG, export by clicking to that button. And yeah, there you go. As you can see, all three elements have been saved in JPEG format. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.